Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Well, today we are going washing and dryer machine shopping at Lowe. So come with us as we take a look at the different types of machine. So guys, there are different brand of washer and dryer here today. So we are taking a look at the different brands and the price that suits our budget. So just take a look as we shop around, all right? So guys, some people prefer the old-fashioned one where you have the dryer and the washer on one, while some prefer the single ones. So you have the dryer and the washer separate. Whichever you like, they're right here. So go ahead and keep shopping with us, all right? So guys, in the midst I saw this nice bespoke. I had to display it. I couldn't resist it. Take a look at it. Hope you did enjoy our shopping, and I hope you found something that you like and would like to purchase. Okay guys, so thank you so much for following us. Yes, we did find what we were looking for and we are willing to purchase it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.